WooCommerce with Dropship Direct Dropshipping Review. Features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to the products are added in the description below. In this video, we'll be reviewing WooCommerce integrated with Dropship Direct, a popular solution for starting or scaling your dropshipping business. We'll dive into its features, strengths, and weaknesses so you can determine if it's the right fit for you. WooCommerce is one of the most widely used e-commerce platforms, and when combined with Dropship Direct, it creates a seamless solution for dropshipping businesses. Dropship Direct allows you to access a wide variety of products to sell on your WooCommerce store, offering automated order fulfillment and inventory management. This integration simplifies the process of importing products, handling orders, and tracking shipments, all of which are essential for a smooth dropshipping operation. One of the main strengths of this combination is the flexibility it offers. WooCommerce itself is highly customizable, allowing you to tailor your store to your specific needs. It also has a massive library of plugins, which can extend the functionality of your store further. Dropship Direct adds value by integrating with this flexible platform and providing direct access to a wide range of suppliers and products, without requiring you to manually manage inventory. The pricing structure is another positive aspect. WooCommerce is free to use, and while Dropship Direct has a cost associated with some features, it is relatively affordable when compared to other dropshipping solutions, especially for entrepreneurs just starting out. However, there are some weaknesses to consider. WooCommerce, while customizable, can be overwhelming for beginners, requiring some technical knowledge to set up and optimize effectively. Dropship Direct, on the other hand, has a limited product selection compared to other dropshipping suppliers, which may restrict your options if you're looking for specific niches. In conclusion, WooCommerce with Dropship Direct is a great solution for entrepreneurs looking for an affordable, customizable, and easy-to-manage dropshipping business. While it may not be the best fit for absolute beginners or those with very specific product needs, it offers a solid foundation for most dropshipping stores. Check the description for links to the products, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more in-depth reviews.